Well, hello. Thanks for joining us on Vacation Station TV, your virtual getaway. The snow has arrived. Here it is. It's been threatening all day long, and now the threat is fact. The snow is coming down. I'm in Wears Valley right now, heading down the mountain. We'll see what happens. It's a very light snow. It's not that heavy, thick, wet snow. So accumulations are going to be variable for sure. But it is snowing. Now probably in your neck of the woods it is snowing too, because this storm that's coming through is covering a pretty vast area. But it's always good to look at the snow in the Smoky Mountains. Don't you agree? It's always pleasant to look at. It's always a treat. I got the heat turned on because it's cold. It's 34 degrees now. And it's expected to go down into the teens tonight, somewhere around 18, 19 degrees, depending, of course, where you're living. Up in the mountains where we are, it will be in that range for sure. As you head down into the valley, it may be into the 20s. We'll see. We will see. There's still some debris on the sides of the road. I don't think they'll do anything about that for a while, because with storms coming through, they're going to be out again. Roads are fine. They're not slick or anything like that. As he spins off the mountain. This is a typical day in the Smoky Mountains during the winter. People chugging right along, especially the people that live here. They just do what they have to do. They've got to get home. They have to get to wherever it is they're going to work, from work. And they are taking it in stride. It's just part of what we do. This guy lost his tire yesterday, so he's getting it back on again. It's cold. Not a good day to be changing a tire for sure. And it is a Friday night, and there is traffic in town from out of the area. This I saw when I was out earlier. And I've been waiting for the snow. And for the last couple of hours, there were like these little flakes. Here and there, they just kind of tumbled down. And I go, that's it? That's it? That's the big threat? Now it's snowing. I taunted the gods, and they go, oh, really? Really? This is what you want now? We'll give you some snow. Let's Bruce, let's give you some snow. Here's the goat coaster. And it's all snowy. Miss Marie said she took video because she loves the snow. She loves the snow. So I'm pulling in just to kind of show you the snow at the goat coaster. How pretty it is. There are people still going on the coaster. As long as it doesn't ice up, that's okay. You can ride the coaster in the snow. And they'll even put the windshield on the coaster if you want. They've got the windshields. And they'll put them right on there. Then there's the goats. They're not too happy. They're all snuggled up next to the building.
chilly today?
Oh yeah, just a little bit.
What can you say about it?
Well, love snow, but you know, I'd rather have be a nice warm fire right now. But definitely good time.
How do you like the weather?
It's great. I love the snow. Oh. I'm so camera shy. Alright.
So what are you gonna say to Ross?
I'm gonna ask him if we can probably get out of here a little bit soon before this gets a little bad. It looks like it might stick a little bit, maybe slightly, just a little bit of snow.
Are we going to feed the goats with hay tonight?
Oh, yeah, we gotta give them
Definitely.
plenty of hay. They're gonna need it. They might need a little bit extra down on the ground.
Isn't it much? It's sticking now, right?
Yeah, it's starting to stick a little bit. They probably won't on like main roads or anything, but back roads will probably get iced.
Okay. Hello. The weather right now.
Tennessee weather, you gotta love it. Here.
You make the best chop suey. Mwah.
Hello. Are you gonna ride a coaster tonight?
Yes, we are.
Even in the snow?
Yes, in the snow, We're famous YouTubers.
You are?
Yes, this guy over here, his name is CC Battles. He's a famous YouTuber from Tampa, Florida.
Oh, really?
Hey, Mr. Battles.
And we are here. And we.
This guy right here. He's a famous YouTuber. Go on and look him up. CC
What
Battles
is
33. They lying. CC Battles 33. And this guy here, he was on stand-up comic one night. His name is Mussy. I told you.
Do the squirrel.
Squirrel. Moonwalk. Hit the moonwalk.
And what is your YouTube channel, sir?
They lying. I ain't got no.
Hello.
He also was a famous wrestler.
Where you from? Where you all from?
Tampa.
You want me to get a video or a picture?
Oh, it's on video.
You're on video on Vacation Station TV.
Hey,
Oh, we on Vacation TV. Tampa, Florida.
Can you all say your name, please?
Oh, my name is Tracy Battles. Hello.
Peanut Jones in the house.
Jason Barton.
Tequila Johnson.
But he enjoyed his grandchildren pushing him around in that wheelchair. Come dark, everybody got the car by night. Put it on the end, lit it. Got on the overhauls and the clean clothes. We put our commercial back up in the back of the pickup truck and went down the Walls Road. 15 miles we get done fast. The floor clean deep. We know where it is. We gonna drive you right into the woods and stop it. And then if they tree or tree any time, we gonna try to beat you down in there. And your wedding expression of being married 50 years will be if you say you went to. We want you to go. And we ain't taking you to the woods. We got out there on the sidewalk. We struck a great rock. The big tree was growing slanting out over an old slough. A little creek used to run under that. All right, boys. He's up in there. See, can you shine his eyes?
They just do what goats do. Be goats. They be goats. Clear the windshield just a little bit. There's the track of the coaster. Being these flakes are thick and big, from past experience, that means it won't last long. I could be wrong, but in the past, and I've lived up north for a very long time, this usually means it's not going to last long. The Weather Service said somewhere between 1 and 3 inches. We'll see. There's a field out there. Starting to show. Just a few minutes ago, I didn't see any indication it was going to stick, but I believe it is now. And now I'm back on 321 and heading north on 321. This is towards Pigeon Forge. Right now, this is where I'm going. And you can see there's definitely traffic. They seem to be heading in the other direction. They're heading towards the Townsend area and the Wares Valley. They could even be going to Knoxville, because there's a lot of people who work in Pigeon Forge that live in Knoxville, and this is kind of the road they take. It is a quick way to get there. I mean, of course, it's not as quick as riding out on 40 and putting the pedal to the metal, but that's an extra 35 minutes to get just to there. It's nice and snuggly warm in the car. I'm happy about that. And I want to take you around and show you some of the snow, some of the sights. Is that all right with you? You're a passenger with me. You're part of the family. You belong in the car with us. Taking a drive. It's a virtual getaway. Leave the driving to me. I usually don't hit too many things. Might ricochet off of a couple of cars, but you know, I get right back into the swing of it. Now we're getting into town. And this is the 5 o'clock traffic, so this would be an indicator of people going home from work. Somebody's got a toilet right there. Look at that. Anytime you got to go, look at that. Whoop, flip up the seat. You're there. You're done. You're done. Those flakes are big. They really are big. There's Ware Farm, the park on your right. There's Weagle Weigels on the left. Definitely can't see very far.